welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. This week we're making homemade energy bars and we are cosplaying Jedi. Now, these energy bars are a great thing to take to a con, take with you on vacation. They're high protein and low carb. They're also a really great way to make new friends at work.
Hi, Matt, the new radar technician.
I'm Matt. Would you like an energy bar?
Yeah, thanks.
So this week I did a one-day cosplay build challenge. I took a clearance sale Target curtain and I made a Jedi tunic in one afternoon. Just to show it doesn't matter how much money you have, how much time you have, anyone can cosplay on any budget, whether it's financial or time.
Have you seen Kylo Ren's lightsaber?
Yeah.
I'll trade you Kylo Ren's lightsaber for another one. It's really good. Oh, okay.
So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So come on in and join us.
These mean something to me now.
First thing we are going to put in is our banana, our butter, our brown sugar, and our agave. We're going to cream that all together. We're going to begin to add in our eggs, and that will make everything right again. One egg at a time. First egg. Second egg. Now it's time to start adding in those dry ingredients. Starting with 1 cup of flour, our quick oats. Make sure they are quick oats, not slow oats or ultra quick oats. And granola, any kind of granola. Along with our peanut butter. Nutty or not nutty, whichever you prefer.
Kylo Ren prefers nutty.
Sure you do, buddy. I'm sure you do.
I'm Matt.
Matt. So anyway, time to mix that up along with salt and baking powder. Just when it starts to come together, add in your walnuts. And your dark chocolate chips. Alright, we're all mixed up, we're ready to scoop. If you have a number 16 scoop, that is best because no one likes tiny energy bars. We want nice, big, full energy bars. So you want to make sure you scoop them and put them right on the pan just like you would with a cookie. If all you have is a smaller scoop, that works just fine as well. Hi Matt.
Hi, Kylo Ren smells peanuts.
Yeah, there's peanut butter in here.
Yeah, Kylo Ren's allergic to peanuts.
Kylo Ren is allergic to peanuts.
That's what I said.
So, big old Sith Lord. Oh, here comes a peanut. Substitutions. If you're allergic to peanuts, you can switch it out for any other kind of nut butter, will be just fine. You can also switch out the agave for maple syrup or honey. If you're feeling a little bit festive, you can also switch out both the banana and the butter for pumpkin. Also throw in fruit, any other kind of nut. The beauty of these bars is that you can make them however you want. Once you have them all scooped out, flatten them out with a fork just like you would for peanut butter cookies until they are roughly about ½ an inch thick, and then they are ready to go in the oven. Alright, we have our oven preset to 350 degrees, so we're going to go ahead and pop these in.
I just want to make sure that you're not having any problems with your oven because I am a radar technician. My name's Matt, in case you forgot.
I think our oven is quite good, Matt, thank you.
Are you sure? Because I can fix this.
We're good. We're good here.
Okay, let me know, because I'm a radar technician. Matt. Okay.
In the oven. So thank you so much for joining us today, friends. If you had a good time hanging out with us over the past few weeks, we'd love it if you could throw us up a like and even consider subscribing. That's what helps us to grow the channel, have more cosplays, and more recipes for you. Hi.
Matt.
Yeah, Matt.
Yeah. I gave Kylo Ren that plate of energy bars that I traded his lightsaber for. Anyway, he wanted me to give you this.
After the rain comes the rainbow? Sorry I force choked you earlier, Kylo Ren. Thanks, Matt. So join us in 2 weeks where we're going to be cosplaying Tracer from Overwatch, and we're going to be teaching you how to make chicken curry. So thank you so much once again for joining us, and yeah, don't yell us know.
Miss my lightsaber.